I have an extremely urgent matter. I was a VDP, and on 29/5, I have been ousted without any reason, but by 2-line order that you are ousted without any reason. So I have not handed over the charge yet. It may kindly be taken Tuesday as unlisted matter.
Tomorrow as motion.
Obliged.
I'm praying for listing of withdrawal tomorrow. For
Yes.
withdrawal.
Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Yes, Mrs. Das.
Is to be listed
As what?
and orders clear.
Order. Hey, come here. Pura se ate. এখেতক অলপ হেতু দেখাই দিব লাগে যে there is a register there. It will be done, but you have to put it there in the register. Just guide him. They will guide you where. Okay? Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
It will be done. Your prayer is accepted, but we follow a different procedure now. Yes.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I make listing for withdrawal, Lordship, tomorrow.
Yes. There is no need to make any mention here. Automatically you put it in writing and the register is bound to list it. No need to make any mention. Yes.
Well, Lordship, I beg to mention for listening the matter for withdrawal, Lordship, tomorrow.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention a matter for listing, Your Honor. There's some urgency in the matter.
What is the matter about?
Under the savings bank account of the petition has been blocked on account of excess
Now,
payment.
why
of
you want
interest.
to listing for what?
For orders, Your Lordship.
You tell it to register. If it doesn't, then you come back.
Much,
Your prayer is accepted. Only thing is you have to follow the procedure we have made.
much.
And if you have any problem, come back.
Hey, please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a writ petition for admission, Lordship.
Go there, please.
Okay, sir.
Daily list for orders, item 1.
Here the petitioner had participated in a selection process where he had to give certain options to be selected in certain forces. The stand of the respondent is that the forces that I had opted for, I did not make the cutoff mark. And though I made the mark for the CRPF, I did not opt for CRPF. Issue is still by the Supreme Court, my lord. Perhaps the matter can be closed on that lines. There is one order from this honorable court, my lord.
But you know why it has been listed today? Because you have not taken steps.
It would not matter much, my lord, because once I don't make the merit,
Hmm.
the issue is settled.
But there is an order to take steps on respondent numbers 5 and 6.
They were the private respondents who were appointed. The merit
So
goes-
first, either you have to delete them as parties or serve notice on them. There is no third alternative.
What I was suggesting is the repetition would not stand at all.
Achha, you want it to be closed.
Yes, because I did not make it in the merit in the preferences that I have given.
All right, then we'll close it.
Yes.
Mr. R. Majumdar, counsel for the writ petitioner, submits that since his client, that is the writ petitioner hearing, did not make it in the selection process on merit, the relief prayed for, the grievance expressed in the writ petition no longer survives for adjudication by this court. On such count, Mr. Majumdar has made a fair submission that the writ petition has become infructuous and therefore be closed. Mr.
KM Hassan on behalf of DC Bora, my lord, respondent number 1 to 4.
Mr. DC Bora, Learned CGC is present on behalf of the respondent numbers 1 to 4. In view of the submission made by petitioner's counsel, this writ petition stands closed.
Orders.
Item 2.
Yes.
There's an order of the Lozima Court, my lord, dated 26/5/25.
Yes.
We have taken already 2 times steps upon respondent number 12. No ID card or no answer notice has been returned with.
The presumption has to be taken by the Lojima court.
But my lord, they have referred the court before this court.
Sorry?
They placed the court matter before this court, my lord. They have not taken any order regarding that.
So, respond number 12.
12,
Who is respond number 12?
12 only, my lord. The private respondent. my lord.
And what is the matter about?
Matter about selection and appointment of pharmacist, my lord. We have challenged that order,
Acha, he has been appointed.
appointed, selected and appointed.
And others are already served.
Sharp, my lord, they have also appeared, my lord.
13, 14 and 15.
14 and 15. And who else?
I'm for 6, 7 and 8, Lordship.
Acha, who is for one? All right, you take down heard Mr. D. Boral and counsel appearing for the writ petitioner. Also heard Mr. A. Chakravarti and G. Assam appearing for respond number 1. Mr. U. Ghosh. On behalf of? Then I'll record his name. Mr. D. P. Boral and his standing counsel health on behalf of respond numbers. लिखी दो. Stop. Miss S. Kempile and his standing counsel D. Mahasa Autonomous. Then
KSC, Lordship.
KSC has appeared on
Respond
behalf of
numbers.
respond numbers
6, 7 and 8.
6, 7 and 8. Office note dated Lojima Court order dated 26/5/2025 indicates that steps for service of notice upon the respond number 12 has been taken by registered post with AD on as many as 2 occasions, but the service report was not received back. First up. As such, a recommendation has been made by the Lojima Court for drawing presumption of service of notice upon the respond number 12 by taking respond number 12, full stop. Then you write, since notice by registered post with AD has been sent in the registered address of respond number 12 and the same has not returned back, hence I am of the view that presumption of service of notice by invoking section 27 of the General Clauses Act. Let me see the General Clauses. 27 of the General Clauses Act can be drawn in this matter. Moreover, in view of the representation made by respond numbers 13, 14 and 15. 13, 14 and 15, is it? 13, 14 and 15, who are similarly situated as the respond number 12, there is sufficient representation of the interest of the respond number 12 in this case. As such, this writ petition is deemed to be ready with regards service, registered to list the matter for admission. Which is the provision of General Clauses Act?
For presumption.
Yeah, section 27 of the General Clauses. Admission hearing. Yes. After 3
Madam,
weeks. Yes.
Mr. Advocate Motir Rahman's name has been
By
struck off.
reflecting the name of
M. Rahman.
Mr. M. Rahman, learned counsel for the petitioner in the cause list.
Oh, bless you.
That is lost.
My lord, may I prove my lord withdrawal of,
Hmm.
may I please prove my lord withdrawal of the IA lordship?
You want to withdraw the IA?
Yes, lordship.
Sure. What is the IA about?
Actually, my lord, the writ petition was earlier, my lord, withdrawn, but the IO remained lordship.
Sure.
IA remained.
On the
not
prayer of
that-
Mr. M.H. Ahmed, learned counsel for the applicant, made with the consent of Ms. M. Bhattacharjee, learned additional senior government advocate, State of Assam, appearing for the opposite parties. These IA stands disposed of on withdrawal.
Obliged, lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, there is a Lazima court order dated 22/2025, lordship. Lordship, the third last paragraph, lordship, it starts, lordship. May I read it?
Yes.
In view of the observation made above,
Just 1 minute.
clause.
Yes.
Lord, in view of the observations made above, it may be said that the service in respect of respondent number 10, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, and 41, as per the amended course title, respondents number 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 has been completed. Next, as for the respondent number 11, as per the amended clause title, respondent number 9, the petitioner is directed to obtain proper instructions regarding the present address of the state respondent. Lordship, in respect of number 9, Lordship, we could not ascertain. If my learned brother could help us out, Lordship, because he'll have the proper address because the person have been posted and transferred to certain location. Lord. And further, my lord, it has been stated, Lordship.
Can you furnish him the
Lordship,
postal address?
I have to obtain instruction, Lordship.
All right.
Respondent number 9.
Then you obtain instruction?
Heard.
Yes. Heard Mr. H. Betala, learned counsel for the writ petitioners. Also heard Ms. M. Bhattacharjee, learned GA, additional senior government advocate Assam, appearing for the state, and Mr. D.P. Vora, learned standing counsel, Health Department, Government of Assam. Mr. Bora, on the request of Mr. Betala for furnishing the correct postal address of respondent number 11, bracket, respondent number 9, as per the amended clause title, bracket close. Mr. Bora seeks 2 weeks time to obtain instruction and respond to the request made by the petitioner's counsel for furnishing the correct postal address of the said respondent
And the,
for taking steps.
and the clue.
List accordingly.
Lordship.
Lordship, amended petition filed.
Among the amended petition files.
Yes, Lordship.
Where is the amended writ petition?
Yes,
IA.
Lordship. Amended petition, what is it?
You have filed the amended writ petition.
Yes, sir.
So, but it seems it is not on record. What has happened in this case? You are not aware. You don't know. On the prayer of petitioner's counsel, this matter has been adjourned for 2 weeks so as to enable her to administer it.
Supplementary list for hearing at 6:30.
In these matters, my lord, I was given to understand that perhaps your lordship had released it.
Yeah.
In the given circumstances, my lord, I am obviously not pressing.
Last
Lordship,
date, your lordship had expressed.
Yes.
Now we know why.
Yeah.
your lordship may fix a date, my lord. 1990.
19th of June. Man.
19th of June.
Your Lordship may just, perhaps that is the reason why it has come back, because that release part is not reflected in the order.
Just let me check. Okay, you write like this, Mr. B.D. Decker, Learned Counsel is, Mr. B.D. Decker as well as Mr. R.M. Decker, Learned Counsel are present for the respective petitioners in this batch of writ petition. Mr. I. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Ms.
Tanishka Singh.
Ms. T. Singh has appeared on behalf of the respondents. On the joint request of Learned Counsel for both the sides, let these matters be listed again on 19th of June 2025 as fixed items for hearing. These matters are released from Part 3.
Right.
Interim orders.
Interim orders to continue till the next date. These matters stand released from Part 3.
Please also. This matter relating to compassionate appointment, Lordship. So we have challenged the order of this district level committee, Lordship. And Lordship, they have rejected my petitioners, yes, Lordship, for want of Lordship vacancy. But thing is that Lordship, at that time when they have rejected Lordship, there was a vacancy, Lordship. And on the last occasion, Lordship, Honorable Court directed government Lordship to take instruction, Lordship, on that regard.
Lordship, it was rejected on 4/4/2007, Lordship. And Lordship, further, Lordship, on the new notification 18 September 2024, Lordship, is still in force, Lordship.
Lordship, a batch of
That interim order has not been set aside.
also
Lordship.
covered by the judgment, Lordship.
It is a covered case of, Lordship, State of West Bengal versus Debobrat Tiwari, Lordship.
Lordship, this one is
What is this?
Lordship, by this judgment, Lordship, the Honorable Court directed to consider all the cases, Lordship, which are before applied before 2017, Lordship.
But you have not challenged the notification.
No.
We have not challenged because it filed earlier, Lordship.
Huh?
It was filed earlier, Lordship.
That's right. So unless you challenge it, that judgment is in case of those cases where the notification is under
Lordship,
challenge.
our specific challenge was, Lordship, the Lordship district level committee's order, Lordship. Because they have not
That's
considered
correct,
the time.
but
Yes,
now there cannot be any compassionate appointment.
Lordship.
Only exception is this judgment, but this judgment is only in case of those writ petitions where the notification is under challenge.
Lordship.
Otherwise, your claim is gone by the notification. Forget everything else. Is it not? Notification says no more compassionate appointment. That's the end of the matter. You have not challenged the notification here.
Lordship.
Either you withdraw and file afresh by challenging the notification. Otherwise, in this judgment, it is mentioned that it should not be treated as a precedent.
Lordship.
So it will not have any ratio value here.
Understand.
You understand the problem?
Yes, yes.
So if you want to even withdraw this writ petition and file afresh and test your luck,
Liberty.
huh? Let him do that. On the prayer of Mr. Nath, A. Nath, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, made with the consent of Mr. A. Chakravarti, Learned Government Advocate Assam, his writ petition stands disposed of on withdrawal with liberty to the petitioner to file afresh by assailing the notification dated 18/9/2024 issued by the Government of Assam, imposing a ban on appointment on compassionate ground. If so advised.
Blessed.
If so advised to nalage with liberty.
Item 15, sir, Lordship, of supply list, with the concept of petitioner, I'm seeking for the adjournment, Lordship. Finally, this bill, please, Lordship, matter may
As
be
paid for by Learned
take
Department of
after-
Council to the consent of the counsel for the petitioner. This writ.
my respondent side, on the behalf of PNRD.
That's what I'm saying. May the council, hearing of this matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks, list accordingly. Yes,
Please do.
all right.